Now you get to see Adrian. And Adrian's great because she doesn't bring that young guy, I can do this, I've got to do this, I got to show people how muscular I am, I can split wood all day long. That's just not Adrian. And the good news is that actually that makes her better at this, or it's easier for her to pick this up. I watched her the first time she did this, and there was just nothing really to it. It's like, oh, okay, I just take this maul up and I bring this maul down, the wood flies apart. What's the big deal? Let's get to work. So I'm going to let her illustrate the style of sitting into the split. That's Jake illustrated the style where he's standing up. So he's coming up as the weight of the splitting maul is coming down. It's also just as effective to have that maul coming down and the body's just relaxing, going into a sitting position. That too can work just as effectively in the body. So we're just getting Adrian into it. So go ahead and let's just illustrate the motion. So start with your maul here, okay? And you're just gonna mock it. You're gonna illustrate. So the maul's gonna come up over your head. That's an inhale, and then it's just gonna come down slowly. And as it comes down, yeah, you're gonna show your sink. So there's a terrific. Right, I'll take this away. No. Go down. Zazen. There you go. Right? What could be better? Now do it for real. Yeah. Right? Look how that thing came down, and look how relaxed this stayed. Right? So the strength of that split did not come from here, did not come from here. Somehow it came up through the legs, and if we had her rigged out with a force meter, like where the force is going on in her body, boom, right there would be the force as she made that split. So Jake, set her up. Go for it. Yeah, do that one again. Okay. Okay, now, just watching her, she could be doing that for 5 minutes. She could be doing that for 50 minutes. If she had some food, we might push her to 5 hours, you know? But you just get a feeling in which that motion can just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. But it's got strength to it. It's got effectiveness to it. She's doing work with her breath and gravity. And that's the same quality that we want when she's doing Zazen. It can be 5 minutes, it can be 50 minutes, it can be 5 hours. It's got that same sense of boom, 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 boom. Remember, I said every breath you take, because I know you're going to breathe, every breath you take, there's going to be that chance to do that slow exhalation that lets gravity do its work through your body, that lets breath and gravity do work. And that's what we're illustrating. So Jake, set her up for a couple more.